Hello everyone, so today we'll see practice set 3.2 of part 1. So in previous video, in first part, we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 3 or 4. Now we'll see question number 5. In this we have to divide first polynomial by the second polynomial and write the answer in the form dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Is first of all we have to divide by long division, then we have to arrange our answer in the form of this formula. So we'll solve first one. So this is our fifth one. Now here in our question what is given, we have to divide first polynomial by the second, means this we have to divide by this. So always this you have to arrange in the form of decreasing order, that the power should be in decreasing order, and which term is missing that we will write as a plus 0 x. If after x cube it will come x square, so we will add plus 0 x square, then x term means plus 0x, and last term minus 64. So here I have written x cube minus 64. We can write x cube after that plus 0x square, then plus 0x minus 64. So it is in descending order 3, 2, 1 constant. So always remember when you are doing long division method, you are dividing that it should be in descending order, and which term is missing you can add that plus 0. So this one you have to write inside x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 64, and here outside you have to write by, we have to divide this x minus 4. So here it will come x minus 4. Now here you have to see first of all, here is a first term. So in rough you have to, what you have to do, first term divided by this first term. So what you will get, this is rough work you have to write, you have to show this answer. So x cancel, so here it will remain x square. So this x square you have to write in here up, then x square into x it will come x cube, then minus 4 into x square minus 4x square, then we have to do minus, so it sign will change, here plus, so here you have to write minus, here minus, so you have to write here plus. Okay, when you are doing divide, then means here minus will do, so sign will change, then plus minus cancel, plus plus plus, so here it will come plus 4x square, and this as it is. Now see, whenever you are doing this polynomial divide, then full remaining term you have to take down at a time all. Okay, simple if you are doing divide, then one term we are taking down, but here you have to take at a time full equation down. Now again first term we will take 4x square divided by this first term, so 4x square divided by this first term, then what will get, x cancel, here will remain 4, again 1x, so 4x will remain. Now this 4x we will write up. If suppose here we will get minus 4x, then you have to take minus, whatever sign you will get you have to write that sign. Now again multiply 4x into x, you will get 4x square, then minus plus minus 4 4 is 16x, so here we will write 16x. Now again one line you have to keep here, then sign will change, if here plus then here minus, and if here minus then here plus, then plus minus 4x square cancel, plus plus plus, so here it will come 16x, because if you will add to 0 you will get 16 only, 0 plus 16 means 16, and minus 64 as it is. Now again first term is 16x, so this 16x divided by this first term divided by x, x both will cancel, we will get 16. Okay, so this 16 you have to write up. Now 16 into x, 16x, then minus plus minus 16 4 is 64. So we will write here 64. Then sign will change. If here plus, then here minus. If here minus, then here plus. Then plus minus cancel. So here remainder will come 0. Now here see what is the dividend. So this is the dividend. Dividend. This is the quotient. This is the divisor. And last one is remainder. Okay, so always remember, this is for your understanding. I'm writing. This is the dividend. Numerator, this one is quotient, and this is the divisor, and last one is remainder. So we will arrange our answer in the form of this formula. We don't want to solve, only we have to arrange. So we'll write, therefore dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend means our dividend is this. So in place of this we can write x cube minus 64. Okay, because both are equal. So in place of this, from here we can write only x cube minus 64. So x cube minus 64 is equals to divisor. Divisor means x minus 4 into, now see into means we have to write in bracket. Quotient means this full, plus remainder means plus 0. Now in next step 0 we will not write, otherwise if you will write then also correct, and if you will not write then also correct. So here this is the fifth one, means here we have divide first polynomial by the second, and always remember this, it should be in descending order. If that term is missing, you can take plus 0. Now here square and x term was missing, so b2 plus 0x square plus 0x and minus 64 as it is. Then first term divided by first term, here cancel, you get that term, you have to write in numerator here, then again multiply. So like this you have to solve, and this it should be present whenever you will solve, right side or left side you have to show this answer, this proof, it is the proof you have solved yourself. So then you have to write your answer in this form. So this is the answer, you can take a screenshot. Now here same, just like this you have to divide this, you have to divide first by second. So here it is already in descending order or not, we will see. 5 4 3 2. Now here 1 means plus 0x you have to add, after this you have to add plus 0x, then plus 2. Okay, then you have to divide by this, you will get answer, and at the last you have to arrange in this form. Now we'll see 6 1. Now see here star means it is hot, means higher order thinking question, and it is very important, they can be asked for exam. So we'll solve this. Now write down the information in the form of algebraic expression and simplify. So here first of all we have to write expression, and then we have to solve according to question. There is a rectangular form with length this and breadth this. So first we'll roughly draw one diagram, from diagram, one rectangular form. Okay, so in rectangular form length is given 2a square plus 3b square meter, it is in meter, and breadth is also given a square plus b square is also meter. Okay, so there is a rectangular form with length and breadth. Then the farmer used a square shaped plot of the farm to build a house. The side of the plot was this, what is the area of the remaining part of the farm. Means suppose one rectangular farm, and in that farmer used a square shape. So suppose I will make here square, one square shape he took plot for making house, to build a house. So here house, okay, and full is farm. Now this house, it is a square, it is in the form of square shape. So square means all sides are equal and one side is given a square minus b square, and it is also in meter. So here what is there, they are asking what will be the area of remaining part. So remaining means this part, remaining of this farm, what will come, area. So this dash dash shaded part we have to find area. So what we will do, we will find first of all area of rectangle, then we will find area of this square, then from rectangle we will minus this square part, then we will get remaining part of this form. So that will be our answer. So first we will find area of rectangle. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? So here area of rectangular form. So area of rectangular form. So first of all, what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length means this is the length, 2a square plus 3b square, and breadth means this is the breadth, a square plus b square. So here we will solve like this question already we have solved, means multiplication of two bracket. So from first we will multiply to this 2a square into this bracket, a square plus b square, then again plus 3b square into a square plus b square. Okay, so from first bracket, first term will multiply full bracket, then from second term will multiply second bracket. Now we'll multiply this both inside, same here also will multiply inside. So here 2 a square here, both base are same, both are a, so we can add the power. 2 plus 2 it will come a to the power 4, then plus. Now here a square, here b square, we cannot add the power because base are different, so we'll write 2a square and b square. Similarly here b and a means both base are different, we cannot add, so plus 3, I will write first a square then b square, plus 3 and b square into b square. Now both base are same, so b 2 plus 2 4, so it will come 3 b to the power 4. Now here middle one both are a square b square means we can add, last one we cannot add because both are different. So 2 a to the power 4 plus here 3 plus 2 will come 5, and both are a square b square, so 5a square b square plus 3b to the power 4. So this is as question number 1. This is the area of rectangular form. This is full area of this form. Now we have to find area of this square. So here we will write an so area of square is square shape plot. Okay, so area of square shape plot is equals to what is the area of square. So area of square is side into side or side square. So side square means what is the side is given, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square whole square, because this formula is a side square. Here you can first mention side square. Okay, this is the formula. Now here we will use a minus b whole square. This consider as a, this consider as a b. So a minus b whole square if we will put, then what we will get, formula, standard formula of a square minus, sorry, a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so by using this formula, in place of a we will write a square, in place of b we will write b square. So here a square means already it is in square, means a square minus 2 into a means here a square into b means b square, then plus b square means it is in square already, so again square, so it will get 2 into 2 4, so a to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b to the power 4. Okay, so 2 into 2 4. So this is the area of square. So this as I will give equation number 2. Now what we have to do, from area of this rectangular form we will minus area of this square shape plot, then we will get area of this remaining part. So that only we have to find. So we'll write, therefore area of remaining part of the farm is equals to area of rectangular form minus area of square shape plot. Okay, so this area minus this we have to minus. So area of remaining part of the farm is equals to area of full rectangular form minus area of square shape plot. So from equation number 1, this is our area of rectangular 2a to the power 4. So here this is the area of rectangular form and this is the area of square plot. Now we will open this bracket and this all sign will change, and first one as it is. So 2a to the power 4 plus 5 a square b square plus 3 b to the power 4 minus a to the power 4 and minus plus minus minus it will come plus 2a square b square, and minus plus what we'll get here, here is plus, so minus plus minus, and in so b to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now we'll see if any term will cancel. No. And now we will add like term. Here is a to the power 4 and here is a to the power 4. Here is a square and b square. Here is a square b square, and here is a b to the power 4. Here is b to the power 4. Okay, so if you will do like this notation, you can easily identify like term. So we will add in, we will write first in one bracket, do a to the power 4 and this minus a to the power 4 plus this will write 5a square b square and like term 2a square b square, then last b 3b to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So like this if we'll add, then easily we can add subtract without any mistake. So first 2 minus 1, here nothing is there means coefficient is 1, so 2 minus 1 will come only a to the power 4 only 1 plus 3 plus 2, sorry 5 plus 2 it will come 7 a square b square, then plus 3 minus 1 2 b to the power 4. So this is our remaining part of that area and it is in meter. Okay, because we are finding here area, so you have to write in meter. So like this we got the answer. You can see from starting. This is roughly, if you will draw a rough diagram easily you can identify. This is one rectangular form and in that rectangular form, that man, he want to build a house square shape. So suppose this is a house, that side is given and in square all sides are equal. So one side means a square minus b square, then all sides are equal. And rectangular, this is the length and this is the breadth. So if you will minus from rectangular this square shape, we will get area of this remaining part. That only we have got that answer. First, area of rectangle, L into b, length into breadth, then area of square, side square. Then from area of rectangle we minus area of square. From equation 1 and 2 we got, here you can write reason. Since from equation 1 and 2, okay, this we got this equation from equation 1 and 2. Then we open this bracket, minus we multiply inside, then all sign will change. Then like term we have written in one bracket, then we add. So this is our area of remaining answer, remaining part. So here our this exercise, this practice set is completed. Remaining whatever I gave, you have to solve yourself. Thank you so much.